In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your Shopify store and set up two-step authentication to enhance your security. Starting off, let's make our way to the Shopify admin panel. To do this, ensure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage dashboard, which is essentially the nerve center of your store operations. It provides a holistic view of your sales, traffic, and everything else e-commerce. Now take a look at the left sidebar. Here you'll see a link labeled My Store. When you click on this option, it takes you to a more detailed overview of store activities and settings. This section is designed to help you efficiently manage your store's core activities, such as your product listings, orders, and customer data. Next, above the left sidebar, you'll notice a section with your store's name along with your account email. Click on your account email address. This action will navigate you to your account-specific settings. Here you can manage your personal Shopify account details and preferences. The next step in our journey is to enhance the security of your account. Ensuring your Shopify account is secure is crucial to protect your store's data and your customers' information. Within your account settings page, you'll see a tab labeled Security. Let's click on that. This part of your account settings page is all about securing your interactions within Shopify. It helps protect sensitive information and offers various options to shield your account against unauthorized access. Now let's proceed to the final step, enabling two-step authentication. This is one of the most effective ways to secure your account. Two-step authentication adds an extra layer of protection by requiring not only a password and username, but also something that only the user has on them, i.e., a piece of information only they should know or have immediately to hand, such as a physical token. In the security section, you'll see an option to set up two-step authentication. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. You may use apps such as Google Authenticator or any other recommended authenticator apps to streamline this process. And there you have it, a brief yet comprehensive guide to navigating your Shopify store and reinforcing its security setup. Always remember, maintaining robust security measures not only safeguards your information, but also builds trust with your customers. Feel free to revisit any section of this video if you need a refresher or additional clarity on any part of the process. Thanks for watching, and keep those stores secure.